Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a Tuesday morning haul to share with you guys. You guys been showing so many Tuesday morning hauls, and I got my girls that hooked me up and sent me some Tuesday morning Maggie Holmes goodies. So of course I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. So I still have another package on its way, and who knows what else I purchased throughout the week, but let me show you guys what I got. So I got this Maggie Holmes, I think this is open book. Yep, open book frames. And you get, let's see, does it say 20 frames, you guys? And it's like chipboard pieces. I'm sure you guys have seen these everywhere, but I got a pack of these. I also got a pack of the sticky notes from the carousel line. These are super cute. And you can make them like that, like little page flags. Like you can make a banner out of them, which I think is adorable. And you can like sew it right through. That is a great idea. So I got those. And then I got, ooh, this one moved up here, but I got these decorative, like little standouts. So cute. I have a few of these, but you can never have too many. And if they never make them again, at least you have some backups. So I got a pack of these, and that's confetti line. I also got some of these cute little rhinestones from the Chasing Dreams. You get some cute little mint green bows, some like dark pink hearts, light pink hearts, and it's the Chasing Dreams. And then I got the Maggie Holmes, well, everything is Maggie Holmes, but this is the Gather ephemera pack, and you get 40 pieces. Those are all the pieces you get, and it feels like jam-packed, you guys. Love this. I actually never had this ephemera pack. I don't think I did. If I did, I don't remember. But I also got these embellished pockets, and you get these six styles. I love this one that says happy with a little floral background. Super cute. So I got a pack of those. I got another pack of the carousel ephemera, which I've been dying for because I went through mine and I didn't have any for a while. So I'm glad to have a new pack. So I got that. I also got another ephemera pack, and this one is Bloom, and that's what you get. I'm definitely going to aim for getting a few more packs of these. I absolutely love the Bloom collection. I think it's so pretty. I got some Chasing Dreams stickers, little puffy stickers. These are super cute to add on to little mini embellishments. That's why I like the little tiny stickers. And then I got a big sheet of the open book stickers. I have one of these, so this is kind of like a backup. And you get all of these stickers. Super cute. I love open book. It's one of my favorites as well. I got these cute little gold puffy hearts from Maggie Holmes. I think Heidi Swap and Dear Lizzie, they did these new ones, like the new packaging like this, but I never picked it up. And this was the little gold hearts. I love these. Target has some, but I think it doesn't have like the white stitching. It's just like all gold all the way around. Then we got some of the word stickers from Gather. I have this pack, but I'm actually like going like halfway through it, so glad to have another one. I love me some word stickers, phrase stickers. And then we got another ephemera pack. You guys, this is 81 pieces. What? And this is the open book. Like, this is a huge ephemera pack. Look at that. 81 pieces. That is amazing. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with that. And then we have, of course, the one that everyone is raving about, the Maggie Holmes confetti. And yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to get my hands on this. I actually have another one on its way, so I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna have two of them. those are all the pieces that you get. You guys, this is another favorite of mine. I don't even know which one I obsess over more because I absolutely love, you know what? We're gonna leave it at confetti. I think confetti is my all-time favorite. I just love everything about it. Even though it's like a birthday collection, I absolutely love it. But yeah, you guys, that is my Tuesday morning haul. I want to say thank you to Ara for picking this yummy haul up for me. You are the best. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.